Welcome to lesson 57 of algebraic concepts. Solve inequalities using addition or subtraction. Part 2. All right, here's our objective, our vocabulary. Please pause this video and read over those items. Or if I move a little too fast for you, please go back and watch some of the earlier videos in this series. These videos are a series, all of the ones dealing with inequalities, meant to bring you from the first video, which started around 2049, all the way up until the last video, to where we move into something different. That's what it looked like. All right, solving graph each inequality. So let's turn on our pencil. All right, so we're going to add 155 to both sides. And S will be less than or equal to 0, 0, 600. And what does that mean? If 0 is here, 600 is over here. It means all numbers, including 600 and smaller. Okay. So you got 10 minus or plus 1x is less than or equal to 8, is greater than or equal to 8, I'm sorry. All right, subtract 10 from both sides. X is greater than or equal to -2. -2 is to the left of 0. It includes it, so it's underlined. And, this way. All numbers bigger than 2. Let's erase that. Okay. Sometimes I even make tiny errors. Okay, let's look at our next example. All right, 9 is less than 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3m. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. 5 is less than 3m. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. So 5/3 is less than m. I'm going to flip everything around. M is bigger than 5/3. 0. I don't know where 5/3 is going to go. So let's make this 1, 2, and 3. So how do I do it? 5 divided by 3 is 1 with 2 left over. So this number is closer to 2. So I'll count out 1 hash mark, 2 hash marks, put a tick in there, and greater than, open circle, all numbers bigger than 5/3. I can put a 5/3 or a 1 2/3 down there. Doesn't make a difference. But just be aware, on some number lines, the ticks will represent numbers. Sometimes they'll be numbered. And if you have a fraction, you're going to be in between numbers. So you had to do a little bit extra to solve the problem. And that was the third of our examples, the final example that we had today. I will see you at the end of the video for a review recap. Okay, so we're going to add 26 to both sides. N is bigger than same signs add, different signs subtract, 14. Does not include 14. All numbers bigger than 14. Plus 1, 1, 4, 4. So make that 1, 1, 6. C is less than or equal to 9 and 4 make 13. 2, 13. 9 and 4 make 13. 1. 1 plus 9 plus 1 is 11. I carry that over to get 213. Let me write this a little neater. It looks kind of like 43. That really should be 213. Okay, C is less than 213. I'm put a 0 there just for reference. Just know I know where I'm dealing with. Okay, let's look at our final example. Negative 13.1 is less than 1x minus 16.7. Add 16.7 to both sides. Okay, same signs add, different signs subtract. Let us 3.6. Flip everything around. X is bigger than 3.6. 0. 3.6 is closer to 4. Open circle. And everything bigger than, but not including 3.6. So that brings us to the end of this video and this series. Please stay tuned for the next series where we get off into multiplying and dividing inequalities. If you like what you see, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.